Food and beverage services. What is food and beverage services? Food and beverage services can be broadly defined as the process of preparing, presenting, and serving of food and beverage to the customer. The three main goals of food and beverage services: to provide high-quality food and beverage, to provide friendly and welcoming atmosphere, to provide a professional, hygienic, and attentive service. Table service. Guests are served at the table by a wait staff. Different service styles can be found under the table service category, including English service. Food is brought on platters by the waiter and served by the host. French service. Personalized service where food is brought from the kitchen in dishes and silverware and placed directly on the table for the guests to help themselves. Silver service. Food is presented in silver dishes with elaborate dressing and served by the host. American plate service. Food is plated in the kitchen and then brought to the guests by the server. Russian service. An elaborate silver service where the food is portioned and carved by the waiter in full view of the guests. Snack bar service. Food is either displayed behind the counter or listed on a menu for the guests to choose from. This is the example of table services. Self-service. Here guest enters in the dining room, selects his own tray or from the food counter and carries food over to a table to eat. And this is the example of self-service. Single point service. Guests order, pay, and pick up at a single point. There are three different types: takeaway, vending, food cart. First is takeaway. Customer orders and pick-up are done at a counter and the customer consumes the food at another location. Second is vending. Provision of food, service, and beverage service is done through an electronic retail machine. The third is food court. Similar to takeaway but with more dining options. There is also seating available on premises. And this is the single point service. Specialized service. Guests are served in a place not designated for a food and beverage service. Examples: tray service, used in hospital or catering, where meals are served on a tray to customer. Trolley service. Food and beverage are on a trolley that is brought around for customers to choose their provisions. Home delivery, a popular form of specialized service where food is delivered directly to the home. Room service, used in hotels, the guest places his order with the room service order taker.